Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here at this point, make this sketch here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 30 millimeters, here 10 millimeters. This arc here has 10 millimeters of radius. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this line here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between these two lines here is 40 millimeters. Okay. Now go to modify, select offset, remove the chain selection here. Select this line here, this arc and this line here. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Select line, close the sketch here. Go to constraint, select coincident, select this point here and this point here. OK. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 50 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. The direction here, symmetric. Measurement, whole length. And the distance here, 40 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to Fillet. Select this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 10 millimeters of radius. Press OK. Now go to Fillet again. And the type here, change the type to front fillet. Select this edge here. And press OK. Now go to create, select hole. Select this face here. And click here in this arc to put this hole in the same center of this arc here. Okay. The extend here is all. And the diameter here is 20 millimeters of diameter. And press OK. We have this. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.